Hey guys, kind of an updated video here. Got it together. Camera on. Not too sure why the fans are running. It's really just idling. I'm setting up the Asus. I already put it in the Windows 7. Where is it? It's around here. Oh yeah. See, it's an actual store-bought Windows 7, not a hack. Not a crack file or anything like that. So you get it all assembled, all wired up. So I'm not too sure why the fans, I think because my fan, I didn't set the fan controls up yet. I got the case fan going, my 1000 watt power supply going, and I got the Intel going. Those Zotac fans aren't going yet because I didn't install the drivers yet. I just installed the Norton security system. That's what I asked them to do. The chipset driver is probably next. I'll install that motherfucker. I just selected the item to install. Come on, install, bitch. So the fans are going. I don't know why, but I read the manual for the board, and there is a fan control setup. Express probably not set up by now. Okay, a little bit here. Come on. Install chipset driver. Okay. I have no idea what Marvel control driver is. Ethernet driver. Oop, I confused it. Sorry to my impatience. So yeah. I'm not too sure why the fans are going like a mammer jammer, or why. Oh, action. Why I just locked up the new computer. I haven't even freaking. I can fuck anything up. Oh my god. Anywho, I will kind of update you. Oh yeah. It's just coincidence the Antec case had blue LEDs. And freaking, that's power supplies at blue LEDs, and the cooling fan has blue LEDs. Anyway, oh, Asus. Oh, we got motherboard support Windows not responding. What the fuck? Ha! I'll fix it. I'm giving you an update.